As in today's video, we will be talking about two topics, and one is hosting webinars. Hosting webinars is terrific for a variety of reasons. They help you drive traction to your site and website, and hence help you increase your sale. Uh, and just not sales, you can even make money using webinars without any product. You can simply host webinars and earn money via affiliate links. This way you can make money and refer useful products to your audience that will be genuinely helpful for them without selling your own product. It's like promoting affiliate links on your blog posts. You need to identify the product you'd like to recommend to your audience and create a impressive and persuading presentation to deliver to your potential viewers. An average webinar should be around 25 minutes away, where you should ideally speak for half an hour and leave about 10 to 15 for a question and answer season with your audience. Question and answer helps in precise one-on-one interaction and helps attendees get answers they crave. Even statistically suggests that 92% of living webinars attendees want a live question and answer season at the end. Clement Dialogue is the Clement Delango, I beg your pardon. Clement Delango, the head of marketing at Mention, made $10,000 in the first 2 hours after their first webinar. Here's how they made their first webinar a massive success: by optimizing the landing page using landing page builders like Unbounce, getting new users signed up daily by adding an invite link to the webinar on their email signatures, and sending out automated email campaigns. You can use these email marketing tools to help you automate your email campaign by answering all the critical questions of your audience. Offer a promo code or a discount at the end to make your webinar a successful. You'll need the assistance of a suitable webinar hosting platform. My favorite is Webinar Jam. Webinar Jam comes with super fast speed, is 100% user friendliness, has a business oriented approach, offer features like automation, provision for reminder emails, integration, registration, and more. You can go through my detailed webinar jam review to make a better informed discussion. After your webinar, make sure to send short personalized emails within 24 hours of the webinar to persons who had registered but didn't show up. Here's an excellent email template example. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find that hosting webinars can be very rewarding, whether you're looking to sell your product or promote your affiliate links. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.